Facebook where did atem for no ba ko na aba so Sani Ibrahim oba did atem nko a oni mo hwe oba did atem nko a no obedidie wo biela etumi sesi adu odwane adidi atem nko a no odidie mo no de asemo de mo ye nkora me pam che o yeni kankenkai verse wo Quran Surah 2 verse number 120 ne hwe asem vora me chia bebre wai Quran Surah 2 number 120 number 120 yana ye penise moba na ma challenge yesa na ye nya de ba e beba be kire mu se me boy na mahunu yiye se wonim se Quran ne makwan se wo ye kremoni a wo wale kristoni enti na ma kirew na afe wodi atu anamon aha na amu hunu nti wo free se wo Europe a na se wo ware Europe ni ba na wo hunu ba bia wo befa because wayera wonye o prophet ni se waware a neche se wunnim se Quran ne bra na wo hunu yiye se eye nyansa na sebi o prophet no ennim enti no o kan sa asem no enti wo wadwene na mu odo chei no enu enti na wo ware Kristo ni ba no eni Quran Surah 2:120 was say, and never would the Jews or the Christians approve of you until you follow their religion. Allah knew Muhammad was a Prophet Muhammad, and now dear say a Christopher Wabeji Watum. This say, what do you want so much answer? Say indeed, the guardians of Allah is only their guardians. If you were to follow their desire after what has come to you of knowledge, you would have against Allah no protector or helper. Ahase no patch say Muhammad no asem no Allah no de man no enya de se okoka kire Christopher begina tum gise wakodi a Christopher som nachi anaso wakodi a Christopher achi enti Muhammad ne ma a Christopher nti ase say there is no bobia ni babia apart from Allah guardians enti indirectly no this verse re part say the guardians no ewo wi asese no eye Allah guardians na a Christopher no they don't have any guardians from Allah tie they don't have any guardians from Allah indirectly no part say the Christians are the enemies the disbelievers of Allah enti Allah any guardians be them on o tie ase the verse re part say the Christians and the Jews, you know, omoye the disbelievers of Allah. Enti Allah guardians biya any ho man emfama wo mo. Enti se Muhammad nim nese okodi wo mo chia Allah emwa na ho ban woni mwa bia wo de be ma no according to this verse. This verse ne kire say a Christopher no wo mo ye disbelievers. Na yento aso. Yenhwe another surah e wo surah 3. Another surah ewo Surah 3 me chira wade ne pa ye study mame Surah 3 116 Surah 3 116 bra Surah 3 116 to 119 me kenka wasi indeed those who disbelieve never would their wealth or their children avail them against Allah at all. And those are the companions of the fire. They will abide therein forever. Omu nyini no. Omu bibia no wa beso Allah ni, omu chefa ayabonsam jem. Yanto aso verse number 117. The example of what they spend in this world, life is like that of a wind containing frost which strike the heaviest of the people who have wronged themselves and destroy it. And Allah has not wronged them, but they wrong themselves. Now say, verse number 118. Oh, you who have believed, do not take as intimate those other than yourselves. Oh, you who have believed, do not take as intimate those other than yourself. for they will not spare you any wrong. They wish you have had a hardship. Hatred had already appeared from their mouth, and what their breast conceal is greater. We have certainly made it clear to you the sign if you will use reasoning. If you will use reasoning. Memfa sa upe obi obetufuo. Obi a wone ne benam, obi a befa na damfo a. Eye mu amagie die no, eye hwan mo. That is the Muslims. Those who have believed Prophet Muhammad. Any asemu a wade ba ye no. Mo eye mu na momfa mo ho adamfo. Mompe futufuo mu. Mamomfa adamfo bi ana futufuo bi wa abontere. Because omu nyinnie no omakomemu no adwenfi ene omodwen de fam ho enti se nia abamu nkyai no mo betena se ne se modwene hu yie na mo de niam atoto na akwamu a mo behunu yie se de Quran ne kan ye ne kore enti memfa obi a woye disbeliever futuni memfa obi a woye disbeliever adamfo memfa obi a woye disbeliever ani ni ntua na mo ho ena momfa na munya futufo mo ho na mompe enamfo sa what the Quran ka okay verse number 119 was say here you are loving them but they are not loving you while you believe in the scripture. So disbelievers that is the Christians and the Jews. So Mamin chira say disbeliever no eye wo mo no ka mo ho asem enie verse 116 no was it all those who disbelieve never would their worth. So the disbelievers no means and wabebu omudin of verse 119 no, that is those who use the scriptures, that is the Christians and the Jews. Was it here you are loving them but they are not loving you while you believe in the scriptures, all of it. And when they meet you, they say we believe. But when they are alone, they bite their finger at you in rage. Say, die in your rage. Indeed, Allah is knowing of what within the breast. Nature say, Allah patre say, and kremofuo di Bible ni tum. Enti amomo wodo emakri ewo womo wodo ma Christopher ni Jewfo nanso a Christopher ni Jewfo eni wodo ma womo esan se womo ye the disbelievers intino womo ni do emfa mankremofo adinfi ena ahye womo akomemu ma nanso de womo ye bia no alanim. So here the Quran no is telling us the Jewish and the Christians, you know, they are disbelievers. They are disbelievers. Surah 1, Surah 2, 120 can the same thing. And Surah 3, 116 to 119. So I can the same thing. The Jewish and the Christians, omo ye disbelievers. Yang tuaso. Me say me pesa me chira wade ema hunu ye say we ye kremonia Kristoni adase Jewni uni na diane omfa na damfo onwale no one ne nante. Kura me chiao me tuaso Surah 5 verse number 5 me kenkai dia besia semoso me bia niema bia ni so dia chiro. Surah 5 verse number 5 will say, this day all good food have been made lawful, and the food of those who were given the scriptures is lawful for you, and your food is lawful for them. I say ale patre say aduani nyina ekwan wo ho ma mo se mo ye nkremofuo mu ni Christofuo wo mo use the scriptures no wo moduane ye lawful ma mo ena mo so moduane ye lawful edema wo mo we na boy ne ka asa me nkan no na me kan mi wi a me kirekire asemu ede a kire no. What say this day all good food have been made lawful, and the food of those who were given the scriptures is lawful for you, and your food is lawful for them. And lawful in marriage are chaste women from among the believers, and chaste women among from those who were given the scriptures. Not just one bet me a walo ampa. we kura ne contradiction ni bi na ma sha ase kenkan no yem to aso me wi amema de contradicting. Was say when you have given them, was say and lawful in marriage are chaste women from among the believers and chaste women among from those who were given the scriptures before you. When you have given them their due compensation, desiring chastity, not unlawful sexual intercourse or taking secret lovers, and whoever denies the faith, his work has become worthless, and he in the hereafter will be among the losers. Meaning, a Christopher ma a lawful the man cremofo ma so betimi awale wo mo. Omoduane a lawful the ma wo mo say en cremofo betimi adi en cremofo nso a Christopher nso a lawful the ma wo mo so betimi adi cremofo aduane. A Christopher betimi awale cremofo ma en cremofo ma betimi awale a Christopher ma ni nyina no. This Quran is saying this. Yentie another verses be na yemfa nyaje sa asem wo ya Quran ne kan na janhwe se sa asem we no eye no kore anasa nya no kore. The Quran no e contradicting ho anasa en contradicting ho. Now yankin kai Quran surah 61 verse Quran surah 6 verse number 121. Quran surah 6 verse number 121. Quran surah 6 verse number 121. Was it, and do not eat of that upon which the name of Allah has not been mentioned. Me pacho tieni yo. And do not eat of that upon which the name of Allah has not been mentioned, for indeed it is a grave disobedience. And indeed do the devils inspire their allies among men to dispute with you. And if you will obey them, indeed you will be associates of other with him. Me pacho chirame Kristo ni be na ekumu namoa me pacho wakan bi sumela ansa no wakuno anase wakan Allahu akbar ansa no wakumu no me pacho ka chirame Quran verse we pa chire se kremoni eni enamoa yammo aladin wo so wachire mo se the food of the Christians, you know, are lawful for you guys to eat. Madiatum now was say sao pese udi anambia anase aduane bia pe aduane anasa namoa yabo aledin diegu so me pa chawo e Christopher e kumu namoa wo mo ka besomela ana wo mo tiam Allahu akbar ansa no mo kumu no enti se Christoni e kumu nam nasa wanka besomela ana Allahu akbar nasa wokum namono nasa wo ye kremoni na ukodia me pacha what disobey Allah nasa won disobey no what disobey no what se wudi enamo a aladin yamo aladin wo so a eye grave disobedience eye your friend say what disobey Allah e kon kesia so pa na what disobey Allah because ya ma aladin so Allah so kire mo say Christopher aduane eye lawful for you guys to eat and a Christopher so kumula mo a omo mo aladin so enti Saudi Christo ni aduane a what disobey Allah and now disobey Allah me pa cha o ka kire me wudi Christo ni aduane a what disobey Allah and now disobey Allah. You have disobeyed Allah totally. But this is where in Quran Surah 6, Quran Surah 5, yeah, Quran Surah 5, ayat 5 on it say, all food has been made lawful for you guys. The food of those who were given the scriptures, you know, their food not lawful for you guys to eat. But a Christopher okum namoa omo mo aladin engu so omo nkan besomela ena omo nkan Allahu akbar ansa na womo kum. But I say Quran e kira wo say womo duane eye lawful for you to eat. Is this word not contradicting himself? Quran Surah 6 121 says do not eat of that upon which the name of Allah has not been mentioned. Adia yamo aladin fangu sono we ya kremonia eni Wudi Kristo ni aduane a Kristo ni kumunama Kristo ni di enguso enti se wudi a you have disobeyed Allah, isn't it? When your contradiction. Enunti enankramofo ni bia wa kontom ha se no omo bere no se wati ase enunti because okoshe obi bosomase a okoshe obi bosomase na se wa ni ne bosom mra ne so a bosom no ho asotwen ne mra no na honhom no e de asotwen ba wo so enunti enankramofo a egu akontom no mo bere no because muntimi ni wa mo bosom ne mra so to ekibi yamo aladin enwu aduane bi so ayeni yamo aladin enwu aduane bi so ayeni o tom ena Quran no nkasa wa contradicting on surah 5:5 say all food has been made lawful to you guys. The food of those who have been given the scriptures, that is the Jews and the Christians. Uba 6:121 so or kira o say eni aduane ayamo aladin fengu so me pacha e Christopher me ka kire mo omoduane omomo aladin fangu so enti wudi a wa disobey Allah na contradicting ho ha no. Now mame to aso me nsama another verse biem yankenkai Quran surah 58 verse number 22. Quran surah 58 verse number 22. Quran surah 58 verse number 22. Enti wo ya kremonia eni Kristo ni aduane wa mesro bebre wudi awafom kwan. Verse number 22 was say, you will not find the people who believe in Allah and the last day having affection for those who oppose Allah and his messenger, even if they were their father or their sons or their brothers or their kindred. Those he had decreed within their heart, faith, and support them with spirit from him, and we will admit them to the gardens beneath which river flows, wherein they abide eternally. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with him. Those are the party of Allah, unquestionable, and the party of Allah, they are the successful. My main started. Now, men children, baby, I'm asking you. Was it you will not find a people who believe in Allah and the last day having affection for those who oppose Allah and his messenger? I have said the asking you. We not a single person be a what G Allah di. Now one will be a what time Allah in the messenger. Ebenya anamontuo bi me pacha tie ni ye wunya obi a woje aladi na sa nipa no wani obi a wanye alla annie ebetu anamo anase omo benya nkuta ho bi me pacha o se enkremofo je alla a Christopher je aladi a wo mo je prophet Muhammad tum se wo ye true prophet a ofiri nyankopon ana me pacha o catch them. Enti se we a true believer of Prophet Muhammad and Allah ube wali Kristo ni. We the true believer of Prophet Muhammad and Allah ube fe Kristo ni adam for because we say omo ye the true believers no, they always support Allah and his messenger. They always support Allah and his messenger with spirit. Enti sanko for no omo na dachi bi ankwa ma boshe no a wo hode mankramufuo no wo mo nsa beka me pacha we ye true believer of Allah and Prophet Muhammad wo betimi ne Kristo ni enya nkita hodie bi mpo na aware abam wo betumi afanadamfo mpo na aware abam wo betumi ne na di nkita ho ben because we ye the true believer of Prophet Muhammad. Enti obi agwanye Prophet Muhammad enene Allah ennie no sa nipa na according to Quran yanini ntu anamo yamfa na damfo yanini nyankuta hodie bia yanini nyankuta hodie bia enti sa wo ye Woye kremoni. Na se waba aba betra Europe. Aba be ware Europe ni ba. Oka kire me se nka me continue bo ni audio na. Oka na one of ni audios ni mu se. Wasi se Italy ye Kristo man. Minchire no Bible no baby a. Ye ka se gay. Bible ne ka se ye nyi gay ntum. Ma me ka se mchire o. Obia owo wiase bia ni mu se Christianity estati ewo Rome. Paul Qur'an according to Bible. Paul wo ye Roman ni. Paul wo free Rome. According to Bible. Paul wo free Rome. Enti Christianity was invented by the Roman people. Enti sa okachire me say menchiro se Italy eye Christopher Maya. Menchiro baby a Bible jitum say yanyi gentum. Why a mistake minua. Obia wo wiase bia no obia wono no wani matro ni makenka bia ni mu say Christianity no omo start Christianity omo Christianity ashase efiri wo mo no eye Italy for and started the Roman empires and they invented Christianity. Woni mo hwe me na wo betere me say minim bibia bra ena wo Quran na kasa no say wo ye true believer woni Christoni eni anamontuo ena the whole Europeans. There is no single European country obeka say yen kremoman. All the European countries ni na ye Christopher man. Enti so wo European country nkwa na ware oba wo Europe anum say ya oba ni nya kremoni on converting kwa ye kremoni abra wa wale Christoni woni ala ni twaka bia. What di Christoni aduane what di European aduane no woni ala ni twaka bia. What this obey Allah because Allah din ya mo Allah din wo aduane ne on wu die ne so. Medasi bebre Faustina. True Christianity began in Rome. Eye nim na wonim tina me se me ba be kire ne ya wonim. De onim na me ba be kire no. Wo be gina be didi mi atam se mi nim hwe. Quran nkasa mi nim so metimi de Quran no. Metimi de Quran na lecture ama wo hu se me lecture. Me de Quran prove wa kire wo se wo ye Kristonia, wo ye Kremonia. Me chiamu amadwani ni nyina wo ye Kremonia eni kwasa wo di Kristonia duane because Kristoni wo kuma boa wo mo aladin so eni kwasa wo ni Kristoni ba e ware wutimi ware Kristoni ba. This is why Quran ankasa wo contradicting won say dear women no they are lawful for you to marry but enkofo inso nya obi a omoje Allah any prophet Muhammad tum adentina ya make wo mo lawful for you. O wale wo monto so Allah na e patre say wonye the true believer because sa wo ye true believer enka woni sankofo ni nyankuta hodie ketewa bi kura tawati ase enti wo ye kremoni na se sansam wo nyina woni mo se ye ba betena ha na ye kyerɛkyerɛ ha anase ye yusu Quran no ne ye ka asɛm bia hunu ye se ye nimu de ye ka ye mo ye tirimu nka asɛm question bia babu sami bia no metimi enya ho verse de ama wo Quran nimu sama kan akoduru wonko adia sama kan koduru na obusame ne me nyama wa that doesn't mean say eyenim na menim ebia na me kan koduru ho say what dia me kire no na me wo a very big question bi nso a enne me nya kremoni bi wo board isu a mebusa no me dia da bia me ba me dia another question ba me nya kremoni bi na me wie na me bie line tuma na me nya kremoni bi a me wo very big question bi a mebusa no a obe prove no wo Quran ni mo de amaye de bia ye ba ha ye besua de mama san kwaso na me ma another verse yankai Quran surah 5:51 to 59 me san ma another verse from Quran 5:51 to 59 right okay Quran 5:51 to 59 and was it oh you who have believed do not take the Jews and the Christians as aliens. They are in fact aliens of one another, and whoever is an ally to them among you, then indeed he is one of them. Indeed Allah guides not the wrongdoing people. Allah guide not the wrongdoing people. Me pacha utie iye. Me sisubiem. Oh, you who have believed. That is the Muslims. Those who believe in Prophet Muhammad and those who believe. Oh. Those who believe in Prophet Muhammad and those who believe in Allah. You are the believers. Was it so? Was it all you who have believed? Do not take the Jews and the Christians as aliens. Memfa Christo for any Jew for no Adam for. In fact, woman omo fa womo ankasa ho Adam for. Enti wo men konko fa wo Adam for. Se wo kofa wo Adam for a wo be the enemy of Allah. Se wo kofa wo Adam for a wo be enemy of Allah. Me ba cha what yase. Se wo kofa na Adam for a wo be enemy of Allah me pa cha. Answer this question to me. Wahunu obi a wahunu oba. Wan fa na damfo ofitin ya wakoware ne da. Wahunu obi a wahunu bema me pa chawo. Wan fa na damfo ofitin ya wakoware ne da. Wei Quran e kire se wo ya kremoni na se wo kofa Kristo ni adamfo a wo be the enemy of Allah. Ana Allah yin so kire se eye lawful ma wo se Obewalia Kristo ni ba me pa chaw Kristo ni ba na wamfa na damfo a obede wawale no se wamfa Kristo ni ba damfo a obede waware no tom answer Allah contradicting no me pa chaw Allah answer contradicting no se wamfa oba na be ma damfo a obede na woni na montuo no akodura ware ka kire me Obede na ane ni mienu ma ware no mana montuo na kodura ware obie ni wa ofiti prekope ehunu ne yira no ware no wo fa oba na damfo eni tu anamo hwe oba ni suban kakra ansa na ware bi bebe mo o makọ akọ ware ansa na ware bebe mo o makọ ware Allah se wo betimi ware Kristo ni ba wo betimi ware Kristo ni be ma Allah kro ya sa be kan be bi se memfa Kristo ni adamfo na emfa Kristo ni adamfo obede waware no obede waware no yanto aso verse number 52 was say so you see those in whose heart is disease hastening into association with them me pacho tie ni me says subiem. So you see those in whose heart is disease hastening into association with them, saying, we are afraid a misfortune may strike us, but perhaps Allah will bring conquest or a decision from him, and they will become over what they have been concealing within themselves regretful. Enti Allah ne say mo hunu say omo makomam ye fi omo ayade wo makomam omo makomam no eye fi no wo mo ne a Christopher ni Jewfo no enya ayonkofa se wo hunu say omo nya ayonkofa esansa wo makomam aye fi nti wo mo ne the Jewish and the Christians and me pa chaw Abdul Malik I'm disgracing myself Matthias here. When I finish me the WhatsApp line betu jaya na mafre eduru ha ya munyane ene na ya na ha me no ya de line to wa na modwane eya ba munyane na waba no wa be chire mu kama na wo bia hu ye se guy ni igu ne wani mu ase we eye English na ya kenkan no English no we enya kasa eye oman ba ku bi dia kasa ni che se English language no akwa ase nyina enti wa wutumi kan English ni bia wo betumi atiase ebra enti mi wia na de ofri se mi gu mi hu ani mo asia na waba no wabe chire mu kama me to aso wasi de enti a ema omo ni wo munya adwankofa ne se omo mpese misfortune bi be dan ebeba wo so nanso Allah no bema de che misfortune na yedai aba wo so because of say Allah awon ni wo say they are wo ye enemy to wono Allah. Enti true believer bia any kwasa wo fa wo madamfo wo fa wo ho adamfo enti wo ye kremonia fa kremonia adamfo enti de kremonia wono na kwakofa Kristo ni adamfo no eye kremonia na komemu no aye fin yade ene niema bi ha no ewo na komemu nti ena watu saa na mo no saa nipa na be the enemy of one Allah because one Kristo ni akofa adamfo oni Kristo ni akotu anamo one Kristo ni bi akoye associate together o makoye together me pa chaw woni obi ware ya nipa no woni ni nya association bi woni obi ware ya me pa chaw se nipa ni ye Kristo ni na ware no a me pa chaw me ye the enemy of Allah. What be the enemy of Allah because nipa no wonna benya nkuta hodie bi enti what be the enemy of Allah. Me pa chaw o fana damfo a what be the enemy of Allah. Wodi na duane a what be the enemy of Allah because Allah say those who associate with those the Jews and the Christians, you know, their heart, you know, is full of disease. What are you talking about? No kure ni muchiri meboa. Yen 53 was it, and those who believe will say, are these the ones who swear by Allah their strongest oath that indeed they were with you? Their deeds have become worthless and they have become losers. Was it ebani sa? Omu amuja sukuta omujidie won kremofoni mu humu a. Omu hwe mu se ya no omu serem omu se nenye nkofo wen wo mo kantam mere bi se wo mo ni Allah ebetu anamo no. Eye dey na afiedie wo makoma mu finti wo makofa the Jews and the Christians na damfo o makowale bie afiedie o moduane na afiedie o mudie. Those who still believers, you know, ehumwa ensama ya no amokana. That is the Arabs. That is the Arabs, you know. Wa mono culture ni yo mo ankasa culture wono Saudi Arabia wo ye de ko ware Kristo ni ba obeware wa jisa wa ba be ye ni slave ena according to Quran and hadith ni nso akwanya wo ho se obi a wo ye wo slave de wutime we no enti wo koye ni slave de a akwanya beda ho ama no wo bewe. But Saudi Arabia ni entu kwankwa wale Kristo ni ba mfane mani kurom Saudi eni ya sada nkaniti ebetwa sawati asiye enti Allah na kire say if you associate with the Jews and the Christians here o heart is full of disease uko wale no ayedie uko dina diane ayedie o fana damfo ayedie ma wani mra ho so wate me ka kire verse number 54 was it all you who have believed? Whoever of you should revert from his religion, Allah will bring forth a praise of them. In praise of them, a people he will love and who will love him, who are humble towards the believers, powerful against the disbelievers. They strive in the cause of Allah and do not fear the blame of a critic. That is the favor of Allah. He boasts it upon whom he was, and Allah is all encompassing and knowing. Enti se wobi ya kremoni necessary ni pan kofa Jew ni o kofa Kristo ni adamfo a esansa wa be ya Allah enemy ntino Allah be fan krofukuo no wodi wo ma be che san kofo na wo ma be ye Allah atamfo na nam na Allah ama wo manya odo eni gidie bi dia mankremo somo no na Allah amu o ma hoden ni tumi a o mu betumi dia ko atia mo mokura na masaba ya so den no Allah asama o mu do be replace mo no wa mu tumi o mbe sa dia ko atia mo because why ya so den won tie Allah ni Muhammad ye no mu asem wakọ wali Kristo ni wakọ di Kristo ni aduane wadamfo ni Kristo ni enti waje Allah achi wade de a wo be fa obi amani pa na be punish o wo be the disbeliever we na motuko abetena Europe a enkranta enti mo be wale ya Kristofo ma no enti Allah ntime nyansa nkyere na ma wunya krata Allah onti me nyansa nkyere ne ma onya krata diso akwa wale Kristo ni ba ukodi Kristo ni ba aduane who disobey Allah and son what me nya krata meaning say Allah no Quran were powerless meaning say Allah no were powerless who pe bibi e dia kire the power of Allah China fo enam bia wo mo we oh China fo ma me nkyere video bi ye wi ayato aso China fo enam bia wo mo we aba China fo yade wo manya yade a virus ati wo mo a o cremoniti wa wo say ala punishment ne no hwe o sieza hwe na ma wo we anajokoto nyenya nkyira asade be ndie be no ena wo we no nunim cha saabo an ya poisonous entu nim cha saabo an ya poisonous Chinese for we nam bia aboa bia wa asase su bia no Chinese for we na sayade ate wo mo a enkramofo firi so proud enkramofo amema memo mo betri so aka se wo mo ya proud because Allah a punishment about China for. So what are you talking about? Oh Allah ne ye so powerless inti. Oh pa dia bi e dia hypo me boa. Oh pa dia bi dia hypo no. China for yare na o de be hypo wala. Debi China for no eye nature na etu omoka because the way wo mu treat nature no enye fine. Aboa bia wo mo we aboa bia ena mo no se wo mo ye poisonous. Ni wo mo nya poisonous. And so akọ do ye poisonous. Na say yade achewa emfa nkọhye se nyame bi na aya wo sa eye wan kasa ene wan hwe wodidi esue ena sa yade na chew ansa mo ala no waye powerless nti mo ba nkrata asam ho ya modene a de se mo de mo kobo Kristofo ma na ye Kristofo ma ema no no ma bo ma mo nya nkrata mo ko wale wo mo na mo no wo ma wo no ma bo ma mo nya nkrata wo hu achiwade bone a mo yedi tia mo ala no Saudi bosom no sama hu achiwade a mo yedi tia no me sin ne me chira wade papa yento aso beba mamin to aso 554 na me kenka ye no was it oh you who have believed whoever of you should revert from his religion Allah will blame forth okay 55 was it your early is none but Allah and therefore his messenger and those who have believed those who establish prayer and give zakah and they bow in worship was it near waya we yakrabonia dia was waya wadamfo dia waya so waya wadamfo dia was waya ofutufuo dia waya sa woni ni tu anamon eye only Allah any the messenger that is Prophet Muhammad any those who believe in Islamic somono omo na wasa wo moya wadamfo wa mo jiwfo dini wa ha wa mo your friends Christians dini wa ha wa mo jiwfo dini wa ha wa mo Christians dini wa ha ena wontumi mfa oba nso emfiti prekope nware no ansana aba ye fa oba adamfo ansana ya ware no ye fa na damfo ansana ya ware no wotu mutan ya oba obe fa na damfo ansana wa ware no enti a Christopher ma na mawale wo mo no ma ya ala achiwade na ma ye no modi didi o maduan no ma ya aduane amomodi without mentioning the name of Allah also ma ya ala achiwade me kan dia kyerɛw sanka me da soje me nkan sampo ma me nkan sei se me yekramonia ena nka minim sa verses we se num nyina enka me free Europe na masaya ko ena me kokura nka Ghana kura me ntena ho me kwa akotena Saudi Arabia anase Arabic countries so ena nka me kwa akotena enso minim millions of enkremofo a omodwane afi Libya abegu Europe thousands of enkremofo a omodwane afi Libya abetena Europe alla man sumpo montumi antena alla man so a mu betimi ayede so alla nanie no montumi antena mo betena Europe na achiwade na mo yedi tia mo alla meboa ansa wonim Quran mu ansa sa wonim mo Quran no because this verses no so who you so reason nyansa biya nim ensama prophet Muhammad ne keka no wodi adwene ni nyansa to ho a nyansa biya nim emwo nipa abrabo enti ma forget en ma begugu Europe na mo warrior Christopher ma na mo di Europeans aduane mo warrior Christopher ma na mo di Europeans aduane because I want to say who this sa announce story we yachia who this sa bullshit stories we yachia wa brabo na beka akire enti mo you so reason you know man said the Quran doesn't make sense enti ma to Quran ni mo nsabagu no ma betena Europe and afa a Christopher ma ni wo moduane na mo ware na mo dididie. This is the time one e was say mama adwene no eye adwuma na mo forget about where this so-called religions no eye fear and panic and ye dia toto mo so eno nti muntimi nyan to ho no me say one day me ba be treat the reasons why Black Abdul enye na adwene say wo beja this evil religion e dia to ho no me ba be treat what na say dwene ho no on say make sense na me to kon ya ba be hia oba obetumi aboa me a Quran kire say we ye Kristo ni benti ma me mfa na damfo ma me nware no oh Allah fa onkwase asem no Muhammad ni nsem hunu no kono ha no wa kire no wa ware no wonu oduane ma na no wadi meanwhile when him say Quran forbid and so say nipa we no always fighting otimo say all kan sa asem we wo Quran mu e de akire afoforo omu nim all kan e de akire afoforo meboa mamento aso. Verse number 50 says, was it, and whoever is an ally of Allah and his messenger, and those who have believed indeed the party of Allah, they will be the predominant. 57. Oh, you who have believed, taking out those who have taken your origin in ridicule and amusement among the ones who were given the scriptures before you, nor the disbelievers as aliens, and fear Allah if you should be true and if you should true be a believers. Me pacha Allah says si wa habiemu when yam na me kan me pacha me nkenkai firi me ma me ntoma mu me kenkai firi Quran mu me nkenkai firi me ma me mpaboam ana me ma me ntoma mu me kenkai firi Quran mu me says su bia o ya krebonia be waso te waso netie was say oh you who have believed take not those who have taken your religion in a ridicule and amusement among the ones who were given the scriptures before you, the Jewish and the Christians, the Jewish and the Christians, the Jewish and the Christians, the Jewish and the Christians. Among the ones who were given the scriptures before you, not the disbelievers as aliens, there be informum be Adam for me pacho, and fear Allah if you should truly be believers. Say, ufri say, we ye jidni ni no for dia. Any emfa womumu be Adam for there be even those who were given the scriptures before you. Omokurano memfa obi Adam for according to Quran Surah 5 verse number 57 na me kenkai no ma wani mra ho so me kan kora de akere o me kan enemy preach as a Muslim de ama ho say so we ye Christ we ye kremoni na so awali Kristo ni be gai no me pa cha ujai no so we ye kremoni na se wudi ya Kristofo aduan na me pa cha ujai die so we ye kremoni na se watu kwa betena Kristofo kuro so me pa cha tan wachi na konkremofo man so sai wachi na konkremofo man so mo betena Italy ni Spain your friends say Germany ni Spanish Spain your friends say Austria and your friends say Holland na sefo no I'm warning you today. I'm here as a messenger of Allah. Me catch you free omai munako free Europe mai munako because amanisa waje Allah chiwade when the Christians and the Jews you know abenya association bia it doesn't please Allah imprison Allah imprison na ni nso ho Allah ni nso enti immediately enne ya ma yendi porto ni yemfa nko Ghana uduru Ghana ko na yemfa nko Saudi anasa ko Libya mpachaw ma yendi porto mfa nko Libya nonsense ansa buku ne kan kwase yasem ansa buku no mo Quran no ansa kan kwase yasem e kan asem anyansa nim ansa buku no e kan semfon because one kasa wunim yese Libya no uduru ho no yamfa ho anchaw enti e deporto ma ko Libya onhwe ye be ko akokun wunim se Saudi Arabia ho no ukoduru ho a ho ntaw ukọ Ghana nso a eman na koye Kristofo ne nkremofo man enti wose wunya wo manya eya kremofo man ko no watena mu onse buku no e kan semfon buku ne kan semu no e kan semu onyansa bi anim enu nti na mo mafa mo ho adwene ya mo betena Europe a mo wi a Kristofo ma no ewe wo moduane no mo de wo ho abata Roman fo ma mo wi wo mo no. This book doesn't make sense. Eyan kwase book na mo ani mra ho so me ka kire yan 58 was it, and when you call to prayer they take it in ridicule and amusement. That is because they are people who don't use reasoning. Omadwene ni fie enti wo mo te se yatiam Allahu akbar mpa na wo mo sere mo yan 59 say, oh people of the scriptures, do you resent us except for the fact that we have believed in Allah and what was revealed to us and what was revealed before, and because most of you are definitely disobedient. Not just say, hey, asemo. Lucifer me chia bebe Lucifer bempon me chia. Say what you say? Enti Allah no mama ti asie say a Christopher ne de tin ton time. Munu omu ni hwe ye kra ni kwa se munu obi omu nya bi ye ene ne mfa adamfo enye futuo mfiri ne nchen enwale no eni bi aduane me pa cha unyele ti kra eni bi aduane enwale bi emfa obi adamfo. According to this book the Quran na make sense, you know. Me say the Quran doesn't make sense to every Muslim except those who are the Arabs, except those who are the rare Arabs, those who were given this message, because wamo bosom enayi wamo komfo aye friend Muhammad ene wode message ni ma wamo ena wamo ma hyede ene mera etwaso wamo disuo enti uko Saudi a ahyede ne sa mera we no omu diso. And the book makes sense for them. But to you, no, as a Ghanaian, no, a sense the book doesn't make sense to you, Ninti. And I would to continent Arabic countries who are. Maybe I know when say Ghana, acquire medicine, both Christians and Muslims. And I won't per se, Obeya dia a befum Allah, Obe Warik, Obebi and Nipani a Christoni. Pass Obeya dia befum Allah, and two to Koya Belibia, no Abe Wale Kremoniba. Wabedi nkremofo aduane na wabedi afutuo de afri nkremofo no wo Libya wobediru Libya so omoma mpo womani mpo wo hwa wo ya be ma akohwe na anim mprenu enke ye bebo wo adwene mutuo wo yo ba Libya ni wo ya be ma na kuta sakala tuntum wo ya kohwe Libya ni ba anim mprenu ye bebo wo adwene mutuo within 2 seconds se okuta kala tuntum wo ikura wo dia wo na wo say yama all the title na won kremosumuni mono sheikh malam imam edia be kura na yemfa ma wa wo ye be ma ko Libya na kohwe Arab ni ba nim bempre no na obi hunu ye bebo wadwene mutuo wadwene ye bebo mutuo enti omo ma no wunya bi nware enti indirectly no ala ehye wakonfo indirectly no ala wo hye wakonfo wunya omo ba no waware hwan na woni na ekotena se wonkotufo Libya omu duru masala chimpa na omu tuetu omo hene tuntum mekoto ne nchaya na wo tuetu ane hene na wo tuetu ane hene. These are the people you are fighting for them. Travel and see these are the people you are fighting for them. This religion called Islam and the traditions and the cultures of the Arabs. And I'm just seto ni program or ye na wie no brother Bako Bema comment say Islam a one way of life. Enti Islam any traditional culture no ye different me pacha that is a lie. Dressings are enkremo dressings are Arabs ne dressing no sad dressings na wo ye Ghana ni a wo dress de koma salaki. Dressings are Arab form address. Dressings are Arab form address. A same dressing no and na mo Ghana form mo dressing enti indirectly no the culture of the Arabs no and na mu this one omo language na mo de bompa ye the language that the Arabs use and no na mo de bompa ye adenti na ala no one for different language different dressing any different way of life amfa meremo na amaya sronko e wo the Arabs ni mu na di ode ma no the same thing na Arabs for no edisuo practice o mo practice dress na o mo dress ye kasa o mo kan baby o mo face bompa ye e ho na mo so mo face bompa ye. So don't tell me say Islam a one way of life. The way of life in Islam is the same as the traditional cultures of these Arabs. My brother, stop lying. Stop lying because the type of lying etem udi atura ya beba be biem enena ya friend say Malik nsu tantro bi was seto platform so was say Prophet Muhammad ka say the best generation eye omo omaje nkremosomo die me kan wo platform nso ne ama oye kremoni a what ase this generation is not among. Why am I saying this? Say who call to hadith e kan sa asem o say companions ni busa Prophet Muhammad say who are the best generation or who are the best people? Or say the best people are the generation of my time and another generation to come and another generation who will follow the one who followed my generation. That is the third generation. Third generation naturally no omo bebe nyina no ye awofoma emofra wo maso oden enti bebre no akoma be prim amo wo matwe wo ho afri Islam somni mu akansamu ediatia Islam som no according to Said Buhari story no the onality story no sa na tie Said Buhari kone kwa uridi enti the best people no ana wo kan no is the people of the time of Prophet Muhammad. One only first generation, any another two generations abeba me pacho. Count to generations are abedi Prophet Muhammad ne makro ne cheno. Ye tosu say. Ye tosu mienu and ye tosu miensa. What are you talking about? None of you Muslim is among of that hadith no. Narration or narrative, you know. None of you this modern Muslims be among kan. Because austerity, the first generation and generation, the second generation ebeba, and the third generation ebeba, they are the best people according to the narration. So free sa mebua, met me a more narration, no. What do you meba? Ma me more narration is here. Me more narration is here. I'm one who ye say, ye can't ye nim, ye can't ye nim. Why? Oh, me jano wiso. Ma. Meba. Me pa chao. Ma men kenkai ni sisi a. Enya de say me try me trouble. Mekin kaya ma sisi a wa intinya abotere ma me. Si mekin kaya dia ma. Pam chomi ba o. Epese me bie na mekin kaya de ma mo why. Aha. Mami bie na mekin kaya mfa ma mo. Epese me kan se de hadith ne kan no ne pepepepepepe. Oh, no. O se de mi si twro no me ba. Me ba o. Uma me mre kakra bi na men kan mfa ma o. Okay. Mekenkai was Said Buhari, number 6065. Said Buhari, number 6065, was say, Abdullah bin Mas'ud reported, the Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, said, the best people are those of my generation, number 1. Then those who come after them, number 2. Then those who come after them, number 3. Then there will come people after them whose testimony precedes their oath and their oath precedes their testimony. Epacha wate, enti a first generation aye wono ne generation, another generation and the third generation. Efiri ho kono, wo mu aye be wo mo no. Omo nye best generations, and that's omo nye best people according to Said Buhari. And who was set to platform so can say, and ne who did not set to platform so can say, the best people are you Muslims. What are you talking about? Ayasana hadith de kano. Me say, if you cannot lie, unto me may a strong Muslim. Every Muslim biana woni mo atwero eni mo akenkai biano is a big liar. I repeat, because Muhammad nankasa no ye trofo. So what you say? Enti me pa chaw. We ya kremonia. Me throw challenge we the amount. If you are a true believer of Islam, according to the Quran verses na mekenka ayeno, you don't supposed to be in a country of the Christians. Eni kwa se o wari Kristo ni ba. Ni kwa se o wari Kristo, udi Kristo ni aduane. Eni kwa se o fa Kristo ni adamfo. Emfa Kristo ni futufuo. Enye adenkyere mfiri Kristo ni bia ho. Me pa chaw. Country ya otisue no eye Europe country no. Enye Arabic country. Enye sa ala no ne country ni. Wey eye the Jewish and the Christians no ene te ha. Intime sraw. With all due respect, and ko ne kire se yendi porto ne ko because o dan kwa ma hu hian o 72 virgins bi a wo ko wian ehian na mo on se eduru se mo ho kire mo dia mu use sense of justice, mu use sense of reason, mu reason hu ye say this verses in the Quran no doesn't make sense. Enti walking kai Quran no not Muslim was say another your friend say number ewo Quran mu the same Quran na walking kai no we are no say another verse ewo Quran mu a eno so can different thing na they are making kai free me mpabuam ana me to me bottom ana mayi your friend say and can kai any dia free me bottom eye Quran na making kai. Enti nkoma me Quran verse dia because say enye Quran verse na making kan na o ma me Quran verse dia metiase. This is where me be Quran na making kai Quran o say ma me another Quran verse. Na die wo mo no eye kwakubu nsam no mo asem. Ana say die wo mo no eye your friend say men kan say we patapa e wan kwa na na ya twere ne wom. Anase shatawale pa no ane ya twere no wom. Eye Quran ni mu. Now, yenko hwe se contradiction em se medical kire mienu da bet. Ma me ma o. Eno ye different verses ma listed ye gu. Afa mi wi anu ma bie line na to mu ye kremoni na wa frɛ. Aha. Na dia me kan ye no about net teachings na seba me kan ye ofri se memboa no. Na wa ba be explain well at your tray because we are here to learn. Yahweh Surah 2 verse number 62. Me pamchao ye ko contradictions and so why. Malik Junior said there is no single contradiction in the Quran. And unti na ma Quran ye nyankopon asem no. Okay. Na se ye nya contradiction ba akokora wo mu a enye nyankopon asem. Fine. Quran Surah 2 ayat number 62. Quran Surah 2 ayat number 62. Okay, bra. Was say indeed those who believed and those who were Jews and Christians or Serbians before Prophet Muhammad, those among them who believed in Allah and the last day and did the righteousness will have their reward with their Lord and no okay. Yemfa we into we need their Matthias here. Yankin kai Quran Surah 2 biem hono ayat 234. Mate hanase enti we need their men ha me ho. Ha mate hanase enti we need their men ha me ho kra. Quran Surah 2 hono ayat 234. Yanhwa asem bi wo ho. Ayat 234. Okay. Say, and those who are taken in death among you and leave wives behind, they the wives shall wait 4 months and 10 days. And when they have fulfilled their term, then there is no blame upon you for what they do with themselves in an acceptable manner, and Allah is fully acquainted with what you do. I say in the Quran a part say obabi kunu wu a oba no abusuafo ne nhwe no mo ne ho ban for 4 months. Mame he was say 4 months 10 days me pa cha otie abusuafo ne nhwe enso oba anim enkora oba ne mo oba ne ho ban 4 months 10 days 4 months 10 days. After that no the oba ne beye bia no abusua ni nya no ma ne nye ekoba ne say bremu bia ni abusua ne so me pa cha ha wo kan say 4 months 10 days churo ne fatuo yenhwe Quran Surah 2 ha 240. Quran Surah 2 ha 240 yenti asemo a okan no hoy. Quran Surah 2 ha 240 yenti 4 months 10 days. Okay, wasi asem kro no o me pa choti wasi, and those who are taken in death among you and leave wife behind, that is a kunafo no. For their wife is a biggest maintenance for 1 year without turning them out. Me pa choti 234 no was say they should stay, they should be maintenance. Wabusuane mo oba no ho ban for 4 months 10 days. 240 so say yemo no ho ban for 1 month. Your friend said 1 year. Me pa chaw, does this contradict or it doesn't contradict? I see yemo no ho ban 4 months 10 days. I say yanya no 1 year. Me pa chaw, we yankopon no mu asem no. Tell me, we are kremoni na oba. Say contradict ya bechirechirim. Aha, wasi oba na ntena 4 months 10 days. Aha, wasi oba na ntena 1 year. Me pa chaw, which is which? Which is which? Tell me, which is which? Quran Surah 2 234. A contradictory Quran Surah 2 240. Mama verse no we kremonia prepare ho me biela ani tuma monfrɛ. Why? Monfrɛ mona mi hia mo monfrɛ ya mamu nyane mo ba no ma be didi atama na ma fa mo ho adi mo ba no ma be di atama na ma fa mo ho adi mo mra me prove. If I don't know anything, come and disprove me. Ne di pe nyina hunu trofo a me ye wo platform mi so Me da se. Yenhwe another verse. Ewo Quran Surah 3. Contradiction biem. Quran Surah 3. Ayat 59. 359. Yanko he. Quran Surah 3, 59. Was it indeed the example of Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam? The example of Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam. He created him from dust. Then he said to him, be, and he was. Me pachao, uti bisisubiem. Indeed, the example of Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam. He created him from dust. Then he said to him, be, and he was. Okay. Yensha de contradict asem we why. Quran Surah 21, verse number 30. Honso kan asem bi. Yanko hemra. Se contradiction ko na ma Quran nya nyame asem de a. Ene ya mesi ma ya part 1, part 2, part 3. Uko YouTube a ubehunu. Uko bo san kofa no kura ma ya Quran contradictions the Quran part 1, part 2, part 3. Ewo platform so. Surah 21 verse number 30. Amen ko kai no so e. Enie me pa cha otie. Se we contradict ya. Na se ha no ala pa kire se Adam watete form no tie na de bo no. Na sa asem we na nka se contradicted ho because the example of Jesus is not that like Adam. There be Adam no wo se wotete na tie e na aka se won bi na obi ye. Me pa cha Jesus nso ye nyinsen no. Jesus nso oba na nyinsen no wo no. Adam nso oba nyinsen na anwo no. Won so say ne example no etise Adam. Me pa cha we eya no kre. Okay, yanka ye 21:30 was say have those who disbelieve not consider that the heavens and the earth were joint entity, and we separate them and made from water every living thing, that they will not believe. Point of collection. Me pacha Adam, were a living thing, and now when you living thing, was Adam a living thing or not a living thing? Adam was a living being. So if Allah is saying, say, said the heaven and the earth, was joint entity. This is the beginning of seven walk on. The beginning of some, because the heaven and the earth was joint entity, and yet the beginning of some. Anna Adam as seven so the beginning of some. Allah see what it is from the tear and the boy Adam. Ahase so Allah kure sam be ma ya te ase se ya no no ayakoma primo ya nyini no ye nimu se wote osoro ne asase ntem no eniema bia na move wo asase ani bia no wo bo wo mo firi nsuom ha me pacho Adam enye Quran na say wotete fam no te na de bo Adam ayede na Adam no a wono nso ka the living thing wo mo move wo asase ani Adam ka ho bia according to mo tramoda bushi ni kire se eye through Adam ne nyina ye ba asase so minim se nipa bia aka living thing ho me ye nipa me ka ho bi. So if Allah kire se wote osoro ni asase ntem no ena wodi nsuo bo abode nyina me pacha ote soro ni asase ntem na onyamo Adam. Ote osoro ni asase ntem no na onyamo Adam. Enti meaning say wote osoro ni asase ntem no ena ensuom se ofre Adam free yo. Se omoamoa ensuo ni bomu na wonya Adam. Se omoa ose ensuo gu ni nsem no woka se bi Adam ena Adam bi yo. I don't know. The same Quran here kire say Adam or the form not tie ne bo no. E pacha na tie ni nsuo eyepe. En na tie ni nsuo yepe. Se contradiction na o pe de a ene ebu e wo Quran mu. Ma me samo another one na afemi wi a me mie line ntum. Na obefra no wafre. Surah 2 177. Surah 2 177 me chere dia cha free why me chere dia cha free we ya kremoni nso nim se contradiction wo Quran nim me chere dia cha free why Surah 2 177 bra what say righteousness is not that you turn your face towards the east or the west tie me pa cha tie. The righteousness is not that you turn your face towards the east or west, but the true righteousness is in one who believe in Allah and the last day, the angels, the book. I say one three books, what three book, and the prophets. They may person what shall in soon. The true me pa cho me ba. Me pam cho me ba. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, me pa cho wen you.
Your friend me, Razak.
Okay, good afternoon.
Hello?
Me pa cho good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Person me contribute. Yeah, person me contribute to program so kakra.
Okay, me pa cho kasa yeti o.
Okay. Nami ya Muslim, but she said me Muslim.
Okay.
Inti akwasa me contribute kakra. The work Nukure. Ena amu sa Muslim sinba. Amu beba dia fufa hu na mo change story no.
Sa.
Into to me Nukura sisiano. Yeah, to me Nukura sisiano. Wanu enye de Muhammad kura chire kura purani no when Boko Haram any way mu nyina ISIS mu no omu na mu ya nkremo papa ankasa
yes omu na ya nkremofu ankasa because yes so we read the Quran no
yes it is a ube when really the nature Boko Haram ISIS any how be like one una mu yen kremu focus papa when you are Islam when you are tro
sa
ni nyina ya tro so it the uka ni nyina ya papa ni nyina ya nukure ni nyina the uka ni nyina ya nukure because ewo kura ewo wem Islam atro say so uya Muslim ni nasa unam we nkwansu nasa ushia
mo
the onye Muslim ni
mo
piano na ni shako na mkura push ni kura
so what you say
na onkoto ni makota mkura push ni onkoto ni makota mu so
enti we ya there ware no ana we ya there father than for we ya there di na duane
yes
so what you say
yes yes yeti aburuchiri hana omu nina McDonald's ene adi ena omu wi akukọ nam zani chika sa McDonald's no mo idea
sa pepe yeni Razak sa
yeah
to asoma
yes iti onipa oye Boko Haram ana ISIS on die dwani every McDonald's. Debbie. Because only now you kremu papa no. So first class in kremu. The Muhammad chire no. Only now you no.
Sa.
Yeah, it is almost fraud sisia. Mi so na mi Muslim ni. Mi free ni ma. Mi ko makarata ni na ma it is almost fraud. Almost going to bibi sa almost change.